of a polygon. In this there is a figure given which is not having a fixed shape. It has different parts in it. So we have to find the area of this polygon. So these are the measurements given to you, and we will try to find the area of this polygon. In this there are some parts labeled and their measurements are given here. AD is the length of the full diagonal given. So if the total length is 8, that means the length of these parts will be less. So let's put the value so that it is easy. AF is given 3. Then BF, which is this part, it is given 2. So this becomes a triangle. Then AH, this is given. So AF is given, BF is given 2, CH is given 3. So I am putting and noting down. So you have to understand how to avoid the mistakes in this. So I am labeling and I have not written centimeter, but all are in centimeter. They can be in meter also. Now whatever is the measurement given, I am putting it. EG is given. So this length is given 2.5. So all the vertical and full measurements are there. The length of AH is given 6. AH means this length. So in this figure, there are different parts. So we will find area of the polygon. The area of polygon is made up of different areas. So I am writing the name of the figure. It is made up of triangle ABF. So I will find area of triangle ABF. Then let's see all the triangles. Then the next is area of another triangle, triangle CHD, plus next is area of triangle AED, this triangle. So I have counted first triangle, second triangle and the third triangle, and the next is a trapezium. So we will find area of all the parts of the figure. The next figure is a trapezium, which is, I am naming the figure. This is the trapezium which is given here. The area of the trapezium we will find and add all the areas. We will get area of the full figure. So what is the area of the triangle ABF? Triangle ABF. Triangle ABF, we know it is having all these are 90 degree given. So this triangle, this is the height and this is the base. So area of triangle ABF will be half into base into height. So you will find area of this triangle, which will be half into 3 into 2. So I can put this here and I can put it separately. But the point is area should be solved correct. So this is easy. Area of this triangle becomes 3 centimeter square is the area of the first triangle. Now area of the next triangle we need area of CHD. Now CHD 3 is given. This is perpendicular, but the base HD is not given. But if you see the measurements in the question, the measurements are AD full length is given 8. This full length AD is given 8. AH is given 6. From this point to this point is 6. So if this is 6, then this will become 2 because these two are part of this. So this will become 8. AH will become 6. So this will become 2, 8 minus 6. Now AH is a length, but we need the length FH and I need the length of this. So AF is given 3. AH from this point to this point AH is 6. So if this length is 3, then what is this length? This length will also be 3 because 3 plus 3 and plus 2. 3 and 3 6 plus 2 will become 8. So area of the whole figure will be having this length total as 8. So this is given 8. 8 means 3 is already given. 3 we have found and 2 also we have found. Now we will use it in the figure. Area of the next triangle. Next triangle is triangle CHD, which is again half into base into height. So area of the next figure, which is CHD, is equal to half into base into height, which will be half into base into 3. The next triangle, if you see, it also has base 2 and height is 3. So when I solve it, this also becomes 3 centimeter square. So I have got two answers of the two triangle. Now I will find area of this triangle. In this triangle, this whole length and this are the three sides of the triangle. This is marked as the perpendicular. So this will be the base and this will be the height. The base AD is given in the question as 8 and the height is given 2.5. So I will write triangle AED. Triangle AED is also equal to half into base into height. So half into base into height. The base of the big triangle is half into 8 into 2.5. So now simplify. So 2.5 into 4 is 10. So 3 triangles area I have found. Now we will find area of the trapezium. Now area of the trapezium, I am writing here BCHF. Now what is the trapezium BCHF? Its area will be half into sum of parallel side and into height, which will be half into sum of parallel sides. Now let's see the trapezium. The trapezium is this one, BCHF. This is the trapezium. In this trapezium, these are the two sides which are parallel. Because they are perpendicular, so they are parallel, and the gap between these two is 3. This gap is 3. Because we have just now found that this gap is 3, this gap is 2. So 3 plus 3 plus 2 was 8. So this is the height. Now just put these values. Half into sum of the parallel sides means what are the parallel sides? 2 plus. Now when I will simplify, it will become half into 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 into 3. When I will divide, so the answer is 7.5 centimeter square. So we have got 4 areas. The area of the first triangle, second triangle, third triangle, and this trapezium. Now put these numbers here. Area of the triangle ABF is 3. Area of the second triangle is 3. Area of the third triangle is 10. And area of the trapezium is 7.5. So I have solved all the areas separately. You can check this explanation again. You will understand how I got the 3 triangles area. These are the 3 triangles and this is the trapezium area. So when we put all these here, we will get the area of the full polygon. So 6, 10, 16, 20, area of the whole polygon is 23.5 centimeter square. So we have found the area of the polygon by dividing the polygon into parts. This question may be given with figure, this question may be given without a figure. But we will find the area of the whole polygon by dividing it into normal figures whose shape we know. So I have divided it into triangle. In the same way, there may be question where you are asked to find the area of a polygon where the shape is given in the form of a triangle or the form of any other shape. So we will simplify by finding the areas of the part in pieces. Like if you see these questions, here the parts are given. You will find area of this figure by adding the area of the two triangles. Here you will find area of the whole figure by finding area of the trapezium. This is a rhombus and this is a triangle. So we will just find area of this triangle. This has got base and this is the height. It has got base and it has got height. So you will find area of the figure. In this figure, this is the base and this is the height. So half into 6 into 3. Then this figure will be half into 6 into 5 and add just like we have done. In this figure, this becomes a triangle, this becomes the next triangle, and this is 7. So half into 7 into 6 is, now in this figure everything is not given. In this everything is not given means in this figure the length of the parts are not given. So how will you do this? If I split the figure into parts, then you will understand that it is not difficult. So let's see. In this figure, the parts are given 4, 4, 4 and 4. These are the parts given in the question. And it says that this is 7 and this is 6. So this figure is a rhombus because its all sides are equal. And since it is a rhombus, diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. This is a property. So this will become one diagonal, this will become second diagonal, and both the diagonals are bisected. Bisected means 6 is the total length given. This full length is given 6. So this will become 3, this will become 3, and this will become 7. So you have got two triangles now where this length is 7, this is 3. Then the second triangle is also same where this is 3 and this is 7. So I have broken both the triangles into two parts. The upper triangle is here and the lower triangle is here. Both triangles have same measurement. So you will just find area of the first triangle half into base into height, and the second triangle will also be half into base into height. This will give the total area of the figure. So this is how we find the area of this figure. Same way you will find area of this figure also. Here there is a triangle given with sides given 4, 5, 4 and 5, and this is given 8. So area of this triangle will be half into base into height. So half into 8 into 2. And the other triangle also has same sides 5, 4, 5, 4 and this. So you have to just find area of one triangle and do its double. This will give you the area of the full figure. So we have understood how to find the area of a complicated figure. And in this, the exercise 11.2, we have to find area of this figure. So here the question is again a triangle where the base is 24 and the height is 13. So half into 24 into 13. Same way like we did. And the area of the lower triangle will be half into base into height is 8. So half into 24 into 13 and plus half into 24 into 8. This will give area of the full figure. So area of any figure can be found in different ways. So hope you have understood how to find the area of a polygon. In the next class, we will continue with the explanation of more questions on mensuration. The link of the next class will be given after this video in a playlist form. You can check it and see you in the next class. Goodbye.